Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is a little bit of an early pair review right here. I'm gonna move this pair, we'll set it right there. And what we're gonna be discussing is the upcoming Union Air Jordan 1 LA, or not Union Air Jordan 1 LA, geez, I think I meant to say Union LA, just the Union Air Jordan 1 Chicago's. We're going to be seeing these in summer of 2025. As you guys can see, pretty nice colorway overall, and we're going to get into some of the details about this sneaker. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'm going to show you all the insoles, all the laces, everything that come with these. I should have the box soon, just like with the Legend Blue review. I'll have pictures of it like in a couple weeks. Just stay tuned. I'll show you all the video of that, everything. And yeah, feel free to hit me on my Instagram down below. If anybody needs a pair of these 9 through 11, feel free to let me know. I got a few of them left. And you can also check us out at Resale Vision. We're currently giving away a free pair of Black Cement Reimagined. So we're talking about a lot of good shoes here. And if you like deals every single day, that's what we do in Resale Vision down below. So if you want a chance to win a free pair of Black Cement Reimagined, you better get in there for your chance to win those. And of course, members, got access to these early. You can always DM me, I got them. My DMs are always open. I'll be getting back to those after this video too. But that's everything I need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy. And let's get into reviewing the upcoming Union Air Jordan 1. It's been a little bit since we've seen a pair of these, but let's go. So I actually want to start with all the different laces that we have in the sneaker. I mean, you can just kind of tell from the outside, but I'll show you all what we got. I'm going to stand up here. So as you guys can see, we got 3 different lace colors, kind of that cream colorway, a yellow one, and a black one. If we just go right here, I'll just take these out. So y'all can see here, I'll show you all the insoles too, because it's probably my favorite part. But here are all the different laces, as you guys can see. It's kind of bundled together weird, but y'all can see we got the black ones, we got the yellow ones, and we got kind of that. We got a gray set in here as well. So there's also a gray set of laces that is was not shown on the outside here, but the gray set, that would work. That can match right there. As you can see, it's the exact same tone of gray, so that works pretty well. Aside from that though, let's head to the outside of the sneaker. So as you guys can see, what they're deciding to use is kind of like that pebbled leather almost on these Jordan 1s. Pretty nice. It goes back there by the heel, as you can see. Very accurate colorway too. Nice kind of Chicago colorway. The sole's a little bit, kind of has that slight age into it almost. When you get it in hand, like it almost looks cream, but that's how you can tell they're trying to go with like that aged look almost. Aged look on it almost, excuse me. I do not know what I was saying there. And there you guys can see there is Union's typical logo / tag that they tend to put on the sneaker as well, just on the outside like the last few collabs. So you guys probably noticed the sneaker from that right there alone. If not, then there's some other details that you'll notice. One of the main ones, in my opinion, would be the stitching. Right, that kind of light blue stitching. You would maybe notice it from that. And if you didn't notice it from that, then maybe right here from the tongue tag, you probably take a look at this and you'd be like, what we got going on with this tongue tag? So you can see it's really really bendy. It's not like a firm material, you know what I mean? So, but what I mean by that, as you guys can see, it's kind of like that foam. Right, we've seen this on past Union Air Jordan 1s where it's kind of that foam material. And let me show you a couple other details. There is the inside of the tag. Y'all need to see how that looks. There's everything. Hopefully that'll focus for me. There you go. So y'all can see that. Everything you need to see there, the build, all that. But aside from that, right there, some other things. Y'all can see it just says Nike Air right there, that light blue stitching, and there is the material, again, they're choosing to use on this tongue tag, which again, you wouldn't want to get this dirty. So you'd have to be pretty careful with wearing these because this would stain like super easy, and it covers, a lot of the like upper of the sneaker almost. So yeah, gotta be careful with that part. That's what I'll say. But it would be covered by your laces. It would be covered by your laces, whatever laces you would decide to go with. So I guess that does kind of help, but not immune to stains, right? But still a very nice sneaker, and you guys can see this material that they're deciding to go with up here by the heel. You can see it tracks dust pretty easily. Literally, I've had these for a day sitting on this stool right here, so like not near any dust. And yeah, it still manages to find a way to attract dust. So yeah, that's just one thing I'll mention, this kind of felt material that they're deciding to use right here around the heel, excuse me. Just, yeah, be aware of that. Doesn't really take away from it being a good shoe though. And another thing I'll mention as well when holding this pair is the padding. I was talking with people in the Discord, shout out Resale Vision, about this yesterday. But yeah, the padding. I mean, look how much padding they're using for some ones. Yeah, maybe you can get a little look and kind of tell there. But yeah, I mean, you're not right here, but like, back here by your ankle. I mean, there is, yeah, you can just take your fist and squeeze, and yeah, there's padding. So yeah, that's what I can say about the shoe. It's definitely going to be comfortable. I don't have any doubts about that. This is not my size, so I can't put them on to tell you guys. This is size 11. But yeah, I got like 9 or 10 left, so if anybody needs them, let me know. But yeah, that's what I can say. It's a really good pair. I already sold this one. So it just, again, it shows you the demand is still there. The demand's still there. I mean, these went pretty quick. I'll let you guys know that for, as someone that sells a lot of these early pairs. Yeah, these went pretty fast. So I definitely think there will still be some good demand for these on drop day. And here's kind of a view of both of them together. So you guys can see that there. There's the view. I actually really like this kind of smoke gray color they're choosing to use by the heel. I really like it. Like I think it works. It fits pretty well with the Chicago colorway. Kind of a more chill, subtle look, and still a really nice collab. So I'll show you guys a little bit more about, again, like here's like the stitching going around the ankle as well, as you guys can see. Back by the heel too. So yeah, y'all can probably see that, you know what I mean? Union ones, 2025, summer. But aside from that, I want to show you guys the insoles on these, because that's another really, really cool portion of the shoe. So let's dive into it. All right, so that took me a second, sorry. But what we got right here, if I can actually focus for a second, is the insoles. So you guys can see the insoles of this shoe. Very, very unique. I want to try and not cover the designs, but yeah, here, let me just do this. So here's kind of like a close-up of the insole design on one of the pairs, as you guys can see. Size 11 tag, Union, and then we got kind of this sketch going along both of them, as you guys can see right there. Pretty cool. I actually really like this. Like, this is a very unique portion on the sneaker, and also the Jordan logo just kind of scribbled on right there. I thought that was pretty cool. I think that's based off a Union store sign tag. I could be wrong. Or one of their logos. Nike usually does that, where they'll, like, put their brand name or a logo they have in the other brand's font. They'll tend to do that as like a touch to the collab, to show that, they're collaborating. So that's what we got going on with these. Pretty unique design. Really like this. I posted that on my story briefly yesterday, but yeah, just a cool pair. I mean, this is nice. When you get this on the insoles, you got a nice shoe. But, I mean, they could put this, on the outside, something like that, But how would they put this on the outside of the shoe, you know what I mean? Now thinking about that. Still super, super cool. I mean, yeah, nice insole design. So, aside from that, let's show a little bit more. So, yeah, here is the toe box on them. Y'all can see, again, material right there, if that's going to focus. Yeah, that focused a little bit right there. So, you guys can see, pretty soft kind of leather they're deciding to use. Again, very, very comfy pair. That's the main thing I can take away from looking at this pair now. It looks like it'll be a good, comfortable pair of ones, and obviously it's going to be limited and have some hype to them. So that's what I can say about the Union Air Jordan 1s. Let me know how y'all feeling about them. I know this one looks like a mess right now. I got to put that back together. But yeah, let's do some B-roll shots for these right here. Beautiful pair. Let's go.
Sticks made a fucking hit.
Anyways, guys, I hope y'all did enjoy this video. Just a quick little outro with the Union Air Jordan 1s we're going to be seeing summer 2025. Pretty cool pair. Again, I like what we have with these ones. It's pretty good. So for me, definitely going to be a cop. I might go out the way, get one of these early. It's not really one I'm like dying to get early, but obviously a cool pair. And, obviously I've dropped the money here early to bring y'all a little review. So hopefully y'all did enjoy it. Let me know again how y'all are feeling about this sneaker, if you're going to be copping, dropping. And of course, you can check us out down below at Resale Vision. Don't forget, we're giving away a pair of the unreleased Black Cement Reimagined 3s. Those are probably going to be shock dropping soon. But if you want a chance to win a pair for completely free in your size, make sure you guys join down below and do not miss out on your chance to win those. And of course, the deals we do every single day. I should have the week 16 schedule come in tonight, so stay tuned for that. Maybe that'll be in the video right now. I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on the screen. If I didn't, then no worries. Everything's down below, including my Instagrams. If you ever want to do business with me, or if anybody needs a pair of these, just hit me on my IG DMs. I'll be getting back to those today, as I usually do. If I missed you, just shoot me another message. There'll be some I missed, but I'll eventually get to you. Just don't worry. And yeah, that's what I can say. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. Let me know your thoughts on the upcoming Union Air Jordan 1. For me, it's a cop all the way. So I just like all the they put clear effort into this collab, and I like that. So good job, Nike. You know, the colorway isn't anything too crazy, but, you know, sometimes it doesn't have to be. I'll say that. That's what sometimes makes a shoe good. So, for me, it's a cop. And I will see you all in the next video, which will be tomorrow. So don't miss out on that. And I will catch you all then. Let me know your thoughts. Peace.